I played a cut with my homies, dressed in all black and we cozy. Can't say you love, you gotta show me. I ain't with my guys, then I'm dolly. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them mind they biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them mind they biz, or catch my bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies. Show no love to the police, show no love to the phonies. No love, no love. She wanna come to my homie, she wanna ride like a pony. Better pay up if you owe me, don't come around like you know me.
Man's them moving too shaky, acting sus for no reason. Still do the dash like Stacy with a city girl, it's that season. She wanna ride this all-wheel drive, you don't gotta put no key in. We on a rise like emoji eyes, you know that they be preying. Stashing the guap, setting up shop. I got a plan, is you ready or not? Puffin' this plant, rising my stock, force on my hand, they moving wide. Don't gotta scam, don't gotta hop.
Yo everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got us another video coming up.
What's up?
Steven back in there, he's been ditching me. He's been ditching me. He ain't been around.
Women will do that to you sometimes.
Yeah, men will do that to you. Alright, so today, hey, check it, we're working on the ship box today. So Steven got a push start because, like I said, like before, we don't have a key, and we had to break the ignition. So today we're gonna put my damn push start in it. Well, he's gonna do it. I'm gonna watch. It's my turn to sit around and watch. And we got an unboxing. I got the air management there, 3P, I think airlift kit for mine. We'll do an unboxing here in a little bit.
And since this is gonna be mostly an eBay build, we got a $25 push start kit from eBay. So we'll see. We're thinking about doing door poppers and some other stuff, but most of the parts, if we can get it, it's going to come off of eBay for budget build. For you guys that think you can't build stuff with cheap parts.
You can build them with cheap parts, but you got cheap parts.
Exactly.
That's all there is to it. You got cheap parts.
They might not last as long, but if you don't have no money and last resort,
we're poor guys.
You can.
We're poor.
We're poor. We got to, you know, I got all my money tied up in the WRX, so we got to do this one cheap. So, alright, let's get started.
Stay cheap.
Yeah, let's get started. We're gonna,
as I bought a $2,000 air management kit. Cheap.
Extremely cheap.
But, you know, our cars, our nice cars, we're going to try to stay, you know, good shit on those.
Yeah,
but we'll go cheap on
this.
This is an eBay budget build. You know, you only give $50 for the car, you might as well.
I mean, yeah, this is pretty much for you guys, showing that you can build decent looking cars, decent cars with cheaper parts. It's just, they might not last that long. That's like the coilovers. They're, I think, $3.99 off eBay, the ones I'm going to order. We'll see how long they last.
Are they how much?
$3.99.
Do they have a camber kit with them, or is it?
They don't have the camber plate, but I'm ordering the camber kit off eBay. It's $90 some for the front, and like $80 for the rear for camber kit. So we're gonna do camber. Y'all see, we're gonna do extreme camber on this car. I think probably won't go UFO camber, but it's gonna be.
Yeah, our roads are too damn rough for that shit.
Yeah, it'll be. We can't go where we're riding rim. We'd crack rims too quick and stuff around here, but it'll definitely be low and cambered. We'll probably get some scraping videos and stuff when we get done. Y'all be here for that. So
yeah, and if y'all got any ideas of eBay shit to put on this thing, let us know. We'll throw it on there. Paint schemes, yeah.
We're probably gonna wrap it. I'm thinking pearl white-ish maybe. I found a couple cool whites with blue rims, but if y'all have any ideas, I'm up for ideas.
Yeah, comment. Hey, leave them comments.
You know,
let us know.
Choices. You know, we want to go something, and since we're shaving most everything, probably we want something clean. We're going clean on this build, but with shit ton of camber.
Hell yes. All right, let's get started. Let's get this thing going. Look, yeah. That's how we had to hot wire it when we loaded it up. So I had to take a screwdriver and bust all that shit up. Make it work.
Alright, so there's a way to take the cylinder out.
Well, it's been a couple hours and we got it about figured out. Well, don't mind our mess. We got a mess. Check it out. It's a mess, yeah. So we got it figured out, got the starter. Think we got it working right. But Steven over there, he fried the starter.
Yeah, a little bit. We fried the starter.
No, we fried it. We definitely fried the starter trying to get that to work. So
yeah, it's definitely fried.
So guess we're buying. We got to get a starter.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. So we're done for tonight. So this will be the end of this video. Well, no, it's not.
Nope, we gotta do an unboxing.
We gotta do an unboxing. Y'all want to see some shit? Let's open up some boxes. So, alright, back to me here. So I ordered a bunch of bolts. That's what I got. Thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe. And, alright, parts list. We don't use that shit. Yeah, we probably will, won't we?
Probably definitely don't lose that. Edit that part out.
First things first. Well, there's the compressor. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't pay attention to it. See which one they give you. The 444. Yeah, that's pretty good compressor.
That's a pretty good one.
So I used to have some bag trucks and shit too, so that's what I used was those. You can actually buy them for a pretty good deal.
Definitely need as much silence and power as you can get.
With all your filter stuff. All that good stuff. Put that back so we don't lose it. Put that over there. What really sucks is having to look at all that shit and I ain't got my bags yet.
There's the manifold. That's one of the expensive parts of it.
Why would people want to hide this?
I don't know, I think it looks sick. I think they look good. A lot of videos I've been watching, they just mount it.
I still don't understand why they would want to hide it.
Yeah.
Deck of cards.
Slowly.
So I have to get, I gotta get this paid off first, which this was $2 grand. I think literally $2,000 just for this setup. It's another $2,000 just for the bags, so
Yep.
it's gonna take a while to get that.
But these kits through them come with everything you need, relays to everything. It comes with everything. So you ain't gotta go find fittings or none of that crap. It's got it all.
All the electrical mounting shit. I'll tell you, it comes with this. I didn't want to take all this out, but they even got you a line cutter.
Oh shit, it does come with line cutter.
So I ordered my kit from Dare to Be Different. So it's a place I was looking at online and just found them. Like I said before, I order from different places all the time. So I try to keep small businesses, and they seem like a small business. So
most of all these kits are pretty much within $100, $150 the same price though. So I mean, it don't hurt to support small businesses when you can, because the kits are pretty much all the same. Everyone I've looked at.
The only thing though is when I ordered, you got an option to get either 1/4 inch line or 3/8 line. I went 3/8. They said it was on back order, but I still got it in a reasonably time.
About a month.
But I really didn't. It really didn't matter how long I got it because I don't have all the stuff anyway. So it didn't matter. Those are like check valves.
Yep, those are your...
Yeah, it's check valves.
Did you end up with the train tank or the we'll fix to find out anyway.
Honestly, I can't remember what tank I got.
Looks like the 5 gallon.
I really could have So I went with the undermount. I think I didn't want a whole bunch. They got these tanks where you got a mount right here.
Yeah.
So I went with the undermount so it didn't look as tacky, because I'm gonna let all mine show.
I think I'm gonna do. I was gonna mount mine up under my trunk lid, but with having to unbolt it to drain it and stuff, I think I'm gonna do mine on the floor, just in the back behind that, because I can't use that section where I got the brace in my truck anyways. So.
So shipper. So really, it come from Airlift company.
So they just drop.
I'm assuming it come from Airlift, but I ordered through Dare to Be Different. I'll link them in the description. Pretty cool guy. I actually called him. I think they're out of Florida. I called him just to, you know, find out about my order, and man, he just talked up a conversation. He's a really cool guy. I can't remember his name, but hey, give him a shout. You know, if you're looking for something. I think there was another website that he was going to send me to. I can't remember the name of it. He said he owned the website, but definitely give him a shout. Go check him out.
No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you. You're all like my sons, I'm going dad on you. Okay, good job, good job. Get mine, no prob. Hit my line, you're irking me. I hit that woosah. No, I don't got perks on me. I sleep good on God. Spend that money, make it reappear. Ta-da. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need to bang. Thank the Lord.
So let us know in the comments how we should mount it. I know I said it 1,000 times, but let us know. And hopefully, so I bought it on credit, so hopefully I have it paid off in about a month or so, and then I'm gonna order the bags. Hopefully by the end of the year we'll have the bags, because we're in the garage now, so we can work while we're inside in the heat when it gets cold, because it may get cold this year. Guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment, hit the bell. Make sure let you know when we're gonna post a video. We got several videos coming out. Steven's got a bunch of parts coming for that. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment, hit that bell notification, and we are out.